Want a fun, high-impact way to connect with your farm this season and stand out as the go-to neighborhood expert? Wise Pelican's Holiday Home Decorating Contest signs and door hangers make it effortless to bring your community together, spark engagement, and boost your visibility. Here's everything you need to be the talk of the town. First, we start with door hangers. Share contest details, timelines, and prizes. The perfect way to grab every homeowner's attention right at their doorstep. Next, get your yard signs. Assign an entry number to each home so neighbors can easily spot participants and vote. Plus, they double as mini billboards for your business all season long. All you have to do is order your door hangers to promote the contest and your yard signs for voting, and let the holiday spirit do the heavy lifting. More engagement, more conversations, more leads. Help your farm shine brighter than ever this holiday season.